Hey, what's up, guys? Mike Bush here, and welcome to the Smart Lazy Hustle channel, where we show you how to make money, legally, or the other way around, depending on what you want to achieve. So, today I've gotten a couple of requests, asking me I should show them the Bitcoin format, the Bitcoin website investment format, things like that. And today I just want to show you guys, how it works, and I'll be using a website, I know for as an example. Right, so this is it. So I'll just go down to zenith crypto traders.com. There's a website. You should know this is actually a fake one, so you shouldn't put in your money if you don't want your money to go missing. So for this BTC traders website, it's actually a fake one. So the first thing you have to do is to know what you want to offer, and that is you want to offer Bitcoin investment to people, and that is it. So the first step is to get a domain name. This is what we call a domain name, and you can actually get that from a website like namecheap.com. If you just click on namecheap.com, if it loads, you would see an option to register a domain name. So you can probably register your own as Bitcoin investment company limited, just add up things like that.com. So if you want to call this for your website, that's absolutely fine, and I'm pretty sure no one has taken this name because it's kind of lengthy. But let's have a look and see if someone has already taken up the name for themselves. Okay, perfect. So the name is available. So you see it's been sold for $8.88 per year, right? So you can just click to add to cart and get it for yourself. And then the next step would be to host the website. You can also host on this same platform. If just click on the hosting, and you can host your stuff here. You can choose this pretty much cheap, just $1.18 a month. If you want to give yourself for a year, you can also just do the same thing, right? So that's how it works. Then you enter into the design of your website. You can design your own website anywhere you like, anyhow you want to design it. And all you just have to do is just probably look out for a developer, right? A website developer, and tell them to help you design your website, and just give them the idea, and they will definitely know what to do. So you can see what the stuff is offering. They're offering you 115% after 1 hour. Come on. That's not realistic, but since you already know that this is a fake one, so if you put in your money here right now, your Bitcoin is gone. So once you just deposit, they take it for themselves, and they block you from accessing the website. So that's how it works. You see, this one gives you 135% after 1 hour. Come on. This is outrageous. So you see, the minimum investment for this one is $30. The maximum is $99. The minimum here is $100. The maximum here is $299. And they said this is the best choice because it offers you $180 after 1 hour. And the minimum deposit is $300. So you can see the way this website is designed. The name is Crypto Trader. The site Crypto Trader. Zenith Crypto Trader is a brand new online trading platform made even so blah 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 bullshit, right? All these are fake, and this is it. So you can probably decide to design one for yourself and use it for whatever stuff you want, and good luck with that. So if you need help trying to design something like this, or you want to use it for your investments and things like that, you can just contact me and I will help you with the design. I'll reach out to my team. It's quite expensive because designing something like this is quite expensive, so it costs just about $400. If you want to get something just like this, we can help you with that. And you can also set up an affiliate commission system whereby people can refer others, and you pay them 3%, for referring people, but we know they're not gonna pay shit. So It's just, for the fun of it. So if you want to make money for yourself, you know how to do it, right? With the whole MMM stuff. And yeah, if you also want to do the same thing with this website, you can go ahead and, just contact me and I'll help you with the design, and, your website would look so professional, right? So it depends on what you want to use it for. I don't encourage crime. I'm not asking you to go take people's money illegally. But if that's what you want, well, good luck with that, and hopefully, you run your shit yourself. So if you need help trying to design a website like this, definitely just contact me, and I would help you out with the design. And that is it. So I'll leave a link, below, where you can just reach out to me, and then we continue from there. Thank you guys, and hopefully see you in the next video. Bye.